Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube. In my last video we did a little April garden tour, didn't we? And we spoke about the project and my plans for the back patio. So I'm going to show you a midway point of where we've got up to and the plans going forward. So come with me. So yeah, lots of work has been going on so far. I wouldn't even say we're probably halfway through yet, but I wanted to show you a quick update of what we've been doing. And before I go into too much detail, there is something I wanted to talk about. Now, I like to have banter with a guy called Adam, green-fingered city boy. And this year he has had a baby, Rose, and I sent him out a gift. It was a baby grow with Gardenwithjonny is the best, okay? And he got me back good. Let's take a look, shall we?
So, some of you may remember that Johnny Bravo, aka Gardenwithjonny, aka Sexy Legs, did a little bit of a prank where he sent an outfit for my baby, and he said, "Oh, I got you something for your baby," and I thought, "Oh, that's lovely of him, absolutely lovely of him." And then it came and it said, "Gardenwithjonny is the best," which is obviously a lie. Anyway, we got our own back. So Chris, shout out Chris, is working on Johnny's garden, and he turned up in these t-shirts. So I had something else up my sleeve that I was going to do, which I still might do, so you better keep on his toes. But yeah, when Chris got in touch with me and had this idea, I was like, yeah, damn right. And it's true, isn't it? Like, we'd all rather garden with a green-fingered city boy. Come on.
So yeah, he got me back good. Oh, where's that gone? So yeah, he got me back good, real good. Chris, my builder, turned up with t-shirts that basically said we would rather work with green-fingered city boy. So, very good, great banter. I absolutely love the banter. But anyway, let's take a look at what's happened and what's developed so far on this project. Super selfie mode. I love this mode. So we have had all new, brand new fences this side, all the way around there. And I've just started painting up there. Well, just finished painting up there. I still need to paint all of this. I'm still going with the same grey. I like it. It really pops out the colour in the green of all my plants, and I think it really sets off my garden. But I was dreading painting the fences. I would say it's up there as the worst job in the garden. And I stand by that. Painting fences, horrible. But let's have a spin round. Painted all of these and all the way down there, down the alleyway. Let's have a look. Let's bring you with me down the alleyway. I did all of that down there, all of this fence behind me and the top fence. So I still need to do a little bit more work on painting the fences. However, I did find a good TikTok hack. Use a sponge, okay? Dip it in the paint, literally up and down. It goes on a treat. So if you are to paint your fences this year, use a sponge. Trust me, it works. So what have we done so far? You know, in my previous video, I spoke about the wall that had the curve in it. I didn't like it. That has been all taken out, bricks removed, and we've had the sleepers put in. Now, the bricks themselves, the kids actually helped to get rid of them. And they are basically blackmailing me now to give them pocket money for any little thing that they do. They've actually been helping me again this morning, moving some things, and it's going to cost me a fortune. Probably more than paying Chris to do the work. The kids are absolutely rinsing me. However, they can use it as pocket money for their holiday, can't they? So, what other thing have we done? We have moved the steps. Can you remember the steps that were dangerous and I didn't like where they were positioned? So they've been moved, and we're planning right here to put some new steps onto the lawn. You're probably wondering, why is this pot just in the middle and not been moved? It's because it's too heavy. I obviously need to work out a little bit more. Maybe some more chest press and some bicep curls will help. But yeah, I can't move that on my own. It's bloody heavy. So I need Chris to come help me, and I think he's back tomorrow. So what else are we doing here? All the patio, The old slabs, they're all being broken up, taken away. And like I said in my previous video, we're having resin down here, exactly the same as the driveway out the front. Am I looking forward to that? Yes, I think it's going to absolutely look stunning. And the thing is, I'm actually on the hunt for some new garden furniture that will look nice with the resin. Here we go then. This is one of my raised beds that I'm planning to put in. See the slabs that are being taken out? And we are turning this into a raised bed. I'm not 100% sure exactly what's going to go in these this raised bed here, but it's going to look beautiful. Now, I don't know, I'm toying with the idea of potentially putting veg into this raised bed. My plan for this part here is to make a border here, and this is definitely going to be flowers in this border here. So I need to take out all of this crap that's here, and I'm thinking one plant to make it quite smart, so it's looking out onto the rest of the garden. But as you can see here, this is where the new steps are going to go, where you saw previously. New steps are taken out, and this whole section here is going to be turned into a woodland border. So it's going to be pretty big. It's going to be full of hostas, ferns, maybe some hellebores for the spring, and I'm going to have it's going to be a big old border. So from here all the way around here, underplanting this beautiful maple tree, the Acer tree here. So it's all going to be underplanted with woodland plants. So this woodland border is going to look absolutely stunning. And what I'm looking forward to most is when you look from my kitchen out of this window here, it frames this border perfectly. It's going to look magical. And the other thing is as well, I'm getting some lights fitted where they're going to be connected to Alexa. I am going full on posh with this, where I can go, Alexa, turn on garden lights, and everything basically lights up in the garden, especially this border. I'm going to have a few lights in this border. So there we go. I would say we're probably, just under midway through the project itself. And I am beyond excited. I'm hoping my next YouTube video will be the completed version of this patio area and the build itself. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing. It's been absolutely overwhelming. You know, I really appreciate all the likes, all the comments. I read nearly all of the comments on YouTube, so feel free to comment below, like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be informed when I post my next video. Cheesy, I know, but hey, enjoy yourself, guys. Have a lovely day, and stay green, stay gorgeous.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and make sure you guys subscribe.